it on your behalf. We'll come back to that comfortable seat and we'll seal this practice by bringing the palms together. Close your eyes, feel the warmth of your palms pressing together. Take a second to just sense where you're at. As always, it's an honor and a pleasure to practice with you, to move through this life together. Okay. And then to come out of the pose safely, if you're at the wall, you can come through a quick Baddha Konasana. And truly, I've been doing this a long time. It's so important to just move slowly and mindfully in and out. The transition, cortisol. I'll pet him for anyone who would like to. I'll do it. Positions are so important. And then we'll slowly come back to a comfortable seat. Here with Benji, who's also good for reducing